Hey, how you doing? Dennis here, and today we're checking out a circular counting loader. Let's get started. Start with a circle, 80 by 80. Drag out the sweep. Give it a white border of 5. Set the ratio to 100. Close the sweep. Let's call this full circle. Duplicate. Increase it to 88. Let's color the border Figma blue and make it 13. Drag the sweep to minus 50%. Drag the start point to minus 90 degrees. Call it the left half. Duplicate. Drag the start point to 90 degrees. Call it the right half. Draw a frame, 44 by 88. Call it left. Duplicate. Call it right. Remove the fills. Drag the left half into the left frame, right half into the right frame. Rotate the halves so they are cropped out of view. Select your frames, set space between to 0, wrap them in a frame, name it 0. Drag the full circle into the frame, send to back, create the center text, start with 0, duplicate, change it to a %, select your text, add auto layout, space between it 0, and call it %. Drag the text into the frame. In the layers palette, drag % to the top of all the layers inside the 0 frame. Reposition to X32, Y31. Set constraints to center. Duplicate. Change 0 to 10. Rotate the right half minus 36 degrees. Duplicate. Change 10 to 20. Rotate the right half another 36 degrees. Let's do that a bunch. When you get to 60, start rotating the left half. Duplicate. Do the rest up to 100. Select all. Create component set. Call it loader. Switch to prototype. Connect 0 to 10. After delay, 1 millisecond. Smart animate. Linear. Copy the interaction. Select 10 through 90 and paste that interaction. Reconnect your interaction noodles to the next variant. To make the animation of the loader seem more realistic, I'll modify the timing between some of the transitions. And I'm going to add a tiny delay before the final move to 100. Now connect 100 to your final landing screen with a slight pause so we see the 100% before the jump. Drag an instance of 0 to your loading screen. That's not bad, but I don't like the dissolve on the numbers because they are trying to animate. I'm going to fix that with a variable. Let's create a number variable, call it loader with a value of 0, select all the numbers, and apply the variable. Switch to prototype, select your interactions, add set variable, set the loader variable to the loader variable plus 10. That will make it change up 10 with each transition. That's better. And there you have it. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you for more lessons real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.